Alright guys, so the purpose of this video, I have the Ford Performance shifter installed on the car, and at certain RPMs, I want to say right around 4,000 in the car, it starts to rattle, and there's like this metallic loose screw sound. Right now it's very faint, can't really hear it right now, but as I let me shift down in the third and see what happens. Even in second gear. So right around 4,000 RPMs is where the rattle starts to happen. I have the exhaust open right now. Let me turn the exhaust off. Put it in the normal mode. It's third gear, 3,500. No. Right once it gets to 4,000. Anything below 4,000 RPM doesn't make a noise. So that just means I'm going to go ahead and get a new shifter installed. I want to keep it all OEM on the car, just Ford everything, but unfortunately looks like I'm going to have to do the shifter upgrade. This is the Ford Performance shifter, short throw shifter in here now, so throws are a lot easier, but such a weird noise. I wonder if anybody else is having this issue. I know it was a common issue on the GT350s, but when I originally had the car, it didn't do this or have this rattling issue. I went ahead and I saw a rattle fix. I attempted that on the car. It didn't really work. It just dampened it down a little bit. I switched out the shift boots, got a new one. Pretty much everything. And this rattle is killing me, so I'm going to install a brand new shifter.